Alright, and another fine good evening to you from Hong Kong. Alright, here's I got the cap in. And still have the same switch. System is running. Running at about 140 or 1.4 amps. Okay, so put in the switch. I did have it wired wrong. So now I have the switch. So in this position it's standard. And if I go and I flip the switch, and now again, keep in mind, this is only a 3 amp fuse. It's only 3 amps. So maximum I'm going to be able to handle is probably 3 amps, and it'll start to glow orange. But, I don't know if I get everything in the picture here, but if I switch it over, well, let's screw that. Let's just go over here and just watch this. So, again, I have it totally pegged over clockwise to the least amount of resistance. And so now if I flip that switch, whew, oh, we go way over 3 amps. So, and my my fuse begins to glow orange. But here's 3 amps, okay, and it does, it starts to glow. Oh, can't see it. But my fuse gets really hot. So I should put in a 5 amp fuse, but I am definitely seeing a big improvement, but it's just sucking the power. It's absolutely just drawing all kinds of power. So on this type of system, I know that this isn't finely tuned. This is not a finely tuned system with resistance anyway, because again, each system here has 100 ohm resistor. So, and I do not have a resistor between the potentiometer and my start coil, and my trigger coil. So again, it's just the standard circuit using the variable resistor potentiometer. So I think I got a lot of work to do because to go any further with this type of system, I think SD's got a better chance because his system is well tuned, whereas this circuit right here is not well tuned, you know, resistance wise with the resistors. So, but it does work really good, but I don't have the ability to turn it down. So if I jump that and I try to turn it down to this, if you can hear that, I've got self-oscillation. So that's what's happening. I got self-oscillation at 1.5 amps, or almost 1.6 amps. But if you can hear that, self-oscillation. So, or perhaps it could be this coil here, because this coil has, and that coil has the Fe304 black sand. But no, it's all of them. It's the whole thing is self-oscillating. So, as okay. So I'm able to stop that. But we switch it back. So we switch this back, and I turn it all the way clockwise. Give it a twitch. It starts right up. And I'm going. And then can we get all of it in there? Maybe, maybe not. But then I flip my switch, and there it goes, and I try to bring it down. And I'm self-oscillating. So I wish I had like an oscilloscope or scope and all that. That'd be very cool to see what's actually happening. But right now, on this, I just have self-oscillation when I have going through this. So I hope SD can get his, because his whole system is well tuned. As they say in Mandarin Chinese, Hua booming bai. I do not understand. Well, I do understand self-oscillation. But I do like those noises. I'm just under 3 amps and I can't see glow orange. But self-oscillation in that. And I switch it back, that all the way back to no resistance. It starts right up and it's running. So, I don't know. I know that this works well on a solid state because 49er has it. So, and I'm really confused about this whole system. My understanding is it's supposed to give me some more torque and that, but is it because it's not well tuned with the resistors and I don't have the flexibility, adjustability with the potentiometer? I don't know. I think I'm just rambling on. I think it's time to drink beer. I mean, it's running well without this. So for the time being, I think I'm going to call it quits for this capacitor diode modification. I think I'm just going to stay without it until I can play with it. But that's what this whole circuit board is for testing and trying different things with several different coils. So that's where we stand, gentlemen. Self-oscillation. It's a good thing sometimes, but not right now. Alright, thanks. Be good, be safe, be well. 再见.